Hi, I just wanted to take a second and show you the instrument that I made for the Battle of the Bands presentation, and then also just share with you a little bit of our teaching moment. So the first thing I have is my instrument here. It's just a Tupperware bowl with some rubber bands. It's really good for just strumming, and so I would have used that to strum along with the beat, and then also I can hold it and drum with it to drum along with the beat as well on different occasions in the song. For our teachable moment, we were going to highlight how the song is written about a guy staring out in the sea while he's leaving Nazi France. And we thought that would be a really great way to introduce and talk to our students about World War II, as well as introducing the differences of first person and third person, and really learning about the different types of accounts that we can read, whether it's someone who is actually there experiencing it versus someone who is giving you third-hand information. So that is what I have for the Battle of the Bands presentation, and thank you so much.